Hello and welcome to Unit 5 number 5. We will continue solving exercises about comparative costs under the proportion lesson. The question says, which bottle of cranberry juice is the better value? So we have two bottles. The first bottle contains 330 milliliters for $1.18, or you have bottle number 2 that contains 990 milliliters for $3.20. So let us take the basic unit as 330 milliliters. That is $1.18. This is the basic unit, and this is actually the case in bottle number 1. Now what we're gonna have to do is to try and change the shape of the numbers that are for bottle 2 so that they are identical and proportional to bottle number 1, and so we can finally get to compare the costs. So the first thing for bottle 2 is to divide it by 3. 990 milliliters divided by 3 equal to 3.20 divided by 3. So 330 milliliters is equal to 1.07. So bottle number 2, you're paying for 330 milliliters an amount of 1.07, and if you go ahead and compare it with the price of bottle number 1, you can see that bottle number 2 is your best buy after comparing the costs. And that would be all for this exercise.